In a market already saturated with $1,000 flagship smartphones, one name that previously stood out for its minimalist design and affordability is now making a surprising shift. Yes, we're talking about Nothing. Carl Pei's startup that once promised to simplify tech is now reportedly working on a device that could cost just as much as the latest iPhones or Galaxy flagships. So what's really going on with the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Until now, Nothing was carving its niche as the cool, transparent tech underdog, offering decent specs at a fair price with a unique design language. The Nothing Phone 2 started at just $599, and even its top-tier variant capped at $799, making it a solid alternative to pricier flagships. But recent reports suggest that the Nothing Phone 3 could be priced around $1,000, which is a bold departure from the company's original philosophy. According to Carl Pei, the upcoming Phone 3 is their first true flagship, and that comes with a new mindset. That likely means high-end materials, next-gen performance, flagship-level cameras, and software features designed to rival Samsung and Apple. But here's the million-dollar question. Can Nothing deliver a $1,000 experience? Raising the price is easy, but justifying it is a different story. Consumers who spend that much expect a device that does everything exceptionally: camera, performance, software experience, and durability. And let's be honest, the market at that price range is brutally competitive. What's interesting is that Carl Pei's strategy might not be about beating Samsung or Apple on features alone. It might be about standing out in a premium segment with bold design, transparency, both literally and philosophically, and a fresh take on what a flagship should feel like. But even then, the risk is high. A jump in price could alienate the very community that supported Nothing for being different from the overpriced giants. So is the Nothing Phone 3 going to be a bold leap forward or a misstep in the wrong direction? We'll find out soon enough. But one thing's clear, Nothing is no longer playing it safe. They're aiming for the top tier. What do you think? Would you consider spending over $1,000 on the Nothing Phone 3? Or is it starting to feel like just another big brand chasing a premium dream? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful or interesting, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.